Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka Cram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if any of you is looking for a shortcut to make some quick money in these markets, this is not the place to be. Okay, go on to Vegas or any casino wherever you are, start gambling, and maybe you can try your luck over there. Okay, but over here all we do is we trade price action, we trade technical analysis that aligns up with historical data from these charts. Okay, so take it easy. Do not be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time, and any risk that you take upon yourselves. Okay, I hope everyone's doing well. I think the stream reminder didn't go off today, weirdly, because at least I didn't get the notification, neither did Cash, and I see fewer people on the stream, but it's all good. Like I've told you guys earlier, it doesn't matter if we have 100 or two of y'all, or even one of y'all. We'll still do the streams for you guys. Okay, so give me a quick second. I am going to start to share my screen with you guys. Give me a quick second. Okay, sorry guys, just making sure my charts are all good. Okay, let me know when you guys see my screen. Do you all see it? Okay, I guess y'all do. Awesome. So this is what I have on gold right now. Okay. Nice little support level that we're coming into at around about, um, well, we're more or less we're attempting to touch it out right now around the 1980 region. So let's see how price maybe wants to react, break, and have a further continued push to the downside. If they want to do that, that is, the RSI beautifully aligns up as well. My only concern over here is, even though this seems like the perfect trend reversal pattern, make sure you guys type out in the chat what y'all think this is. And even though we're getting that done, we still more or less we haven't really been oversold. Overbought, right? We were overbought. We then started to get oversold. We got nice and oversold, and then we attempted to go overbought, but it's not something that came through very clearly. Okay, and what does that mean? That means we're also headed into some bearish divergence. Okay, what do I mean by that? Uptrend, downtrend. Okay, so let's see if price wants to react. There are mixed sort of signals that these markets are giving us right now. Um, like, let's just be careful. Okay, let's just be careful. I was going to make a teenage girlfriend joke, but then I looked to the side and I saw Cash staring at me. Okay, but yeah, mixed signals, mixed signals. Okay, and um, and let's see how price wants to react. And of course, if they want to go bullish, we have a quick little level that we could maybe break past here, and if we start to make that pullback, we could get in on the buys, the scalps, no problem. All right, and this is what we have on nasty and the US 30. Let's take a quick look at Nasdaq. All right, it's pretty interesting what's going on over here on Nasdaq. One-on-ones, private sessions, you guys. What is going on with Nasdaq? It almost reminds me of DAX today. I'm not even gonna lie. um What are you guys thinking? Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Great job, you guys. Great job. Okay. Very, very clean accumulation that's going on in these markets right now. Now, we know that the past couple of days have been super bullish for Nasty. Okay, so we've had that nice little pop, gone all the way, price accumulated here, made a little bit of a retracement, continued, moved to the upside, and now we're just more or less accumulating orders. Now, this could mean one of two things. Either we're going to see some really good volume step in today, or this is the beginning of December. Okay, like we've been talking. So don't be surprised if price just continues to accumulate orders within this zone. There's something that I want you guys to note. This might look like a massive zone, but this whole zone literally is 26 pips. Literally. All right, let's have a round figure 30 over there. Okay, so 30 pips, and we have this non-stop back and forth movement that's going on. Touch over here, buyers picked it up, touch over here, sellers picked it, pushed it down, and now we're just trying to attempt to break either this high or that low. So the analysis on Nasdaq is very, very straightforward. You guys know it. I mean, listen, it's simple, right? What goes up must come down. Now we just have to see if these markets are strong enough to continue that bullish move and see if we still want to push higher and higher and higher. Okay, if the buyers want to step in, we will bank upon that. But again, 30 pip zone, we're not going to be scalping aggressively within this zone. Let's just wait for price to maybe break that zone of supply, and you guys have a decision to make. Okay, one-on-ones, private sessions, you guys have a decision to make. If you all want to risk your money for about 13 pips, knock yourselves out. Okay, but where is our structure break going to be? It's going to be on the break of that demand zone down there. Stop loss, if you guys are wondering, have it at the previous zone. Okay, 13 pips. Okay, and now let's take a look at the dirty. Very, very similar on the dirty as well, as you can see. Naturally, a bigger zone, but still, by dirty standards, the ones that have been trading with me for a while, you guys know that this zone usually is a lot bigger um, on the US 30. Okay, so 50 pips give and take is the zone for the dirty, and 30 pips give and take is the zone for nasty. So let's see how price wants to react in and around. Again, quick scalp there. That is only about a 17 pip scalp. Okay, and if you want your structure break, you're looking at this region. And of course, if you want the structure break, you're going to be looking, excuse me, at this region. Okay, and you guys know it. Um, Scalps in and out, zone to zone. That's up to you guys if y'all want to get that going for yourselves. All right, now what is the number that we see here on the right? We see 36,600. Okay, multiple of 100. That is going to act up as a psychological number. So what can we expect? We can expect some buyers to step in when price tries to attempt to hit this area. Okay, and similarly, that's the highest point of our, this is the recent high, the previous high, and this high as well, which pretty much aligns up with the wicks in those bodies. Okay, so what are we going to expect price to do over here? Potentially get a nice little push back down unless we have the momentum to push higher. Okay, so that's going to act up as some sellers or supply. Okay, so we have our demand marked out, supply marked out, the buys and sells are in place. Let's see what price wants to do. We're building into so we stop it, 5 minute resistance right there. Okay. All right, look at gold. Gold, y'all remember how gold was yesterday? Okay. Super choppy yesterday. We're gonna have to see. The moves came in. It's not like the moves didn't come in, but there was a lot of erratic movement and a lot of fake outs before it did. So what does this tell me? Let's be safer. Okay, let's adjust that there. And let's have the daily where it's at. Gonna make a little bit of an adjustment to this. Okay, and let's see how price wants to react in and around. So if we want to push higher, we're looking to break that zone of supply naturally. Head up to create a new high, a higher high. And boom. All right, so that's the level we're looking for. If price wants to close down here, we're looking to potentially break and maybe test out that support below us. Okay, so price is in a little bit of a trap right here. Let's see if they want to consolidate in this region or if we're going to get any sort of moves from here. Okay, so that's gold, DXY, bearish. Lovely. Okay, fix this up. There. Cool. So that's the analysis due to oil. I used to trade a lot of oil at one time in my trading career, but I don't anymore. Do you guys want me to chart up oil though? We have about 3.5 minutes. If you guys want me to do oil, I can do oil. Okay. No, sounds good. It's lesser work for me. Okay. Is anyone in any sort of trades? Anyone in on anything? Nothing at the moment. Where's everyone's at? Are people asleep? Um, where's everyone at? Goodbye, fever. Okay. Observing the market. Goodbyes. Just watching. Show Sam. Here's Nasdaq. Okay. We do have that 400 coming in over here as well. Okay, guys, be a little careful. I'm gonna be looking at gold. I think my trade's gonna come through for gold today. So let's see. All right. So far, respected that trend line, pushed up, closed at the trend line, respected the trend line. Okay. So let's see. Price wants to come back down here, close and give a continued move to us. Okay. So we've got about a minute and 20. A minute and 20 to go. What's up, YouTube? How's it going, you guys? Is it your first time on our stream, or have you guys been on the streams before this? The people on YouTube. A minute to go. Let's hope we have some volume kick into these markets. I'm not expecting anything crazy, but it's the Forex markets, you know. It's the Forex markets. Anything could happen. See my screen? Babe, can you join? Okay, good. All right, 5 seconds to go. Let's have a good one. Okay, bullish momentum. Bullish momentum. PPI is out. Okay. Again, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and watch. Erratic. If you guys are not comfortable, wait for a candle to close. Remember, this is only a 30 pip zone. Okay? And this is a 50 pip zone. Keep that in mind. Let a candle close. Maybe we get a little bit of a retest and a rejection. Okay? So all the news folders are releasing as we speak. Is anyone in on anything? I reckon it's a negative news for the dollar. Okay? Negative news. Waiting for the candle to close. Likewise, Kyle. And also, sorry guys, the smart reports weren't generated today. Kyle, you guys, we'll be back from tomorrow. Okay. Nice move on gold. Yes, sir. Let's see. We want to get that close now. Okay, that's what's going to be important. The close, the retest, and maybe the retest and the rejection, which is right here, could be a nice little 20 pip scalp to the upside. All right, but let's see. Boom. They're trying to push higher on gold. I have my eyes on gold, you guys. Again, I don't want to get into anything prematurely, um, which is why I'm waiting patiently today. But that's a beautiful freaking candle, though, man. Beautiful candle. Okay. 600 booked on gold. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. Good for you. Okay, I'm in on gold. I'm in on gold, you guys. Um, I'm running by about 7, 8 pips. I'm going to change this to break even. 1985.72, 1985.72. Okay, I'm in a break even trade on gold. If it stops me out, it stops me out. I'm not going to complain. All right. I'm running by about 6 pips, 7, 8 pips. There you go. Come on. Give me 20 and I'll be happy. Okay, it might just stop me out. Boom, stopped out. I got stopped out on gold. Okay, break even position on gold for me. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for a candle to close. Simple. I'm going to wait for confirmation, try to snipe a quick entry on a nice little retest, and book 10 pips. That's all. Okay, I know what my expectation needs to be now. No more than 10 pips. I set my TP to 500. I got 100. Welcome to the world of the brokers. They're there to take your money, buddy. They're not there to make you money. They're not our friends. Um, they're there to make their own money. Okay, look at that rejection on Nasdaq, rejection on the dirty exactly from supply. This looks like it's still gonna be consolidation to me, you guys. It seems like price still wants to keep accumulating orders in this region. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the next 20 seconds and see what gold wants to maybe do. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna switch this box to a green one because buyers do switch to sellers and sellers switch to buyers. Okay, made 1% of gold. Should I look for more? Call it a day. Call it a day, man. 1%. You can't ask for a better day than that. Just walk away. Be happy. Get off the stream. Go and enjoy that those profits. Okay. Okay. Let's see if they want to hold. These did nothing. Okay. I'm in on gold, running about 4 or 5 pips, you guys. 10 pips on gold. I'm going to set this to break even. There you go. 12 pips on gold. I'm going to set this to break even. 1984.31. Give me a second. 1984.31. Okay, I'm in a break even trade again. So if I make some money, I make some money. If not, I'm all good. Okay, I'm running 50 bucks a pip, 800 bucks. Let's go. Let's hit that 20 pip mark. I'm going to liquidate some of this. Fuck it. I'm not going to be greedy. Okay, I'm going to liquidate 3. Accept. Okay, I liquidated about 80% of my position and I have the rest running on break even. Okay, so I picked up about 11 pips on 30 bucks a pip and I have 20 still running in these markets and they're up by about 10 pips at the 5 pips. Oh, gonna stop me out. Let's see. But I made 324 for the day. Okay, I'm happy. In and out 11 pips W, Kyle. I think you and I got in together. Same spot. Good stuff. Clean trade? Absolutely, sir. Clean trade. And we didn't even get the confirmation, right? Okay, I'm gonna get stopped out of my partial. Stopped out. All right, I just got stopped out of my partial, so that was 20 bucks a pip. And like I said, I pulled 11 pips out on 30 bucks a pip. All right, how many of you guys caught that with me? Let's see some W's in the chat. Boom. Lovely, lovely. Can't complain. Can't complain. 300 bucks. I'm happy. 300 bucks in a shitty December market. Mm, Not too many people can do what we do, you guys. WWWW. Good job. Good job. And of course, as y'all can see, the indices are still being the indices. It's almost like gold's taken over lately in comparison to these because they've either just been bullish or they've just been consolidating. You know what I mean? Okay, let's see if they break that high. Clearly, they're going to attempt to. But my suggestion: consider this an impulse as well. Okay, wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. All right. Do we have any questions, guys? I am gonna broaden on top, so now stuck. Hopefully not now. Hopefully you're making some money. Liquidate as quickly as you can. Do we have any questions, guys? Any questions at all? I'm gonna call it a session soon, okay? Because I have a one-on-one session in the next 20 minutes. Um, I'd like to take a little bit of a breather before that. Any questions, you guys? Okay, look at that. If I wouldn't have gotten stopped out on freaking gold, we'd be making some money. Anyone still in on gold right now? Because if you were in on gold and had your stop loss below that level of demand, which was one supply, you would be making some good money right now. Okay, even if this, like me, was your entry, 25 pips, 8 pips on Nasdaq. Good job, Levine. Give your Telegram, Thakurji. We don't have a Telegram. We are on Discord. If you see the link on YouTube in the description, go ahead and join it. Okay, it's right there. Nasdaq still trying to push, and gold trying to hit those highs as well. Okay. All right, you guys. Doesn't seem like y'all have any questions. So, again, listen. If you guys want to join up and learn what it is that we do, go ahead and join the private sessions. Okay, what are the private sessions? Classroom style sessions, you guys. Literally with 5 people, 10 people, whatever it is in that batch, and it's literally 150 bucks, 150 US dollar USDT. Um, for 4 sessions. Okay, it's a steal. We give you guys as much value as we can, and for some people, it just works better to learn with people around the same level. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check the announcements, the channel on our server, and you'll get all the information that you need about it. Okay, go ahead and join up. The next session is actually on Saturday, all right, which is day after. Well, 2 days from now. And yeah, if you want to hop on, go ahead and get booked up for those. All right. And like I keep saying, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you all so much. Thank you for letting Cash and myself be in this position that we are. If our community, if you guys didn't exist, we wouldn't be here. And we're just very grateful. We take none of this for granted. We're extremely grateful to be in the position that we are. And like I keep saying, you guys, we're building an army of millionaires. All right. Our growth equals your growth. We're not looking for 1,000 people trading $1,000 or $100 accounts. We're looking for 50 people trading $1 million account. The ones that stick with us, you guys are going to be the ones that go right up to the top with us, all right? Because, like I keep saying, and I'm going to repeat myself, our growth equals your growth. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you all. I'm Mark, aka Cram. My partner is Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out. Bye, guys.